Hello my friends. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to gain more subscriber from the comment section using channel and subscriber link. For first, you go to your channel, your YouTube channel, and then go to customize channel. And then click basic info. Scroll down. Set a custom URL for your channel. Click it. And you can choose the option. Coming Home Missile is my first YouTube name and I change it to Ferguson, so I choose Ferguson. You can add letters or number, whatever you like, but I still stick with the Ferguson. And click publish. Confirm. Then your custom URL be done. You can check it in your channel. You can see. As you can see, my channel URL has changed to Ferguson. Now, on your channel link, just type this. I will write it in my description. And this is for the subscription link. How to check it if it's working? You can go to incognito mode and paste. See, it's worked. The subscription link, it's work. Now we can shorten our link with Bitly. Paste your link, shorten, copy, and now we have the Bitly link for our channel and we can paste it on the comment section like the famous one, the PewDiePie. See the reasons. Oh man, 3 weeks ago. Where are you, man? Pewds. And this, type the comment. Don't click. If you ask me why I comment don't click, because humans psychologically have the desire to touch the thing that are been forbid. Like don't click, don't watch, we will watch it. So I comment don't click. Let's check out the link. Yep, it's work. And this is for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next episode. Goodbye.